modded traction elevator, modernized by OTIS. An old elevator modded by OTIS. Generic mod. 4 pressure 25 kilograms, 0 D00 cercin. This is a very weird cab. Particular elevator. Sudden modernization is a typical generic OTIS mod with a cab mod or a replacement for replacement of the cab, but I don't think so. I don't think so. Very nice. Yeah, I think it's a full replacement. Typical generic OTIS. Nothing to say about it except the rear cab. It has a style. And I like it. It might be old-fashioned, but I like the cab. But rip all the elevator by OTIS. Usually Naples. It's the wrong thing, but this time OTIS replaced an elevator. That's it.